everybody, it's Gina from Orchid and Opal Jewelry and Beads, and it is Wednesday, August the 8th, and my very first jewelry making subscription box has rolled in to my mailbox for the month of August, and I'm very excited, and I know you guys are too, because you love watching these unboxing videos and unboxing these cool boxes with me. This is the third box that I've gotten from Adornable Elements, and you can check out all their info below. But I am part of their double rotating Beads of the Month Club. And what that is they will send a collection of beautiful beads every single month, and it rotates. So they have all different subscriptions on their website. If you go on their website, you can check it out. They have fire polish bead clubs, they have hot and trendy Beads of the Month clubs, they have 2-hole beads, super duos, Delica seed beads, and Swarovski crystals. For example, and with the rotating Beads of the Month Club, they will rotate each of those clubs, so every month you're going to get something different. So I'm going to open this with you. I have no idea which one I've gotten for this month of August. In the past couple months, I did an unboxing of July for you, and that was the Super Duos Double Rotating Club of the Month. So if you haven't seen that video, you might want to check it out. And I also had previewed for you the June box that I received, which was the Delicas. So I know I won't be receiving Super Duos this time, and I know I won't be receiving Delicas. But I don't know what other club I have. Sorry guys, I'm I'm just opening this box and I'm struggling. Trying to do that while I'm talking, so you don't have to wait around too long. But anyway, I don't know which exactly I've got in this box, so it'll be a surprise for both of us. And I do want to mention before I open this up that if you are interested in signing up, please use the code OPAL10 at checkout, OPAL 10, and that will give you 10% off your very first subscription box. So if you sign up for a subscription, they'll give you 10% off your first box, which is awesome. And I do want to mention too, they have double rotating clubs, they have double clubs and single clubs of every single subscription they offer. And with the rotating Beads of the Month Club, for example, the single, which would be, you know, half the amount of beads, is $22.95 a month plus approximately $4.50 shipping if you're in the lower US. And then the double rotating Beads of the Month Club, which I'm showing you here, is $39.95 a month plus $4.50 shipping if you're in the lower US. So let's get started and see what we got. Let's see. Okay, you guys, it looks like seed beads. Awesome. I go through a lot of seed beads, as do a lot of beaters. So let's see what we got here. So they sent this really nice case, and they've been sending one each month, which is awesome because, you know, we can always use more storage. So I really have been getting a lot of use out of these. And let's take a look at the list of what they sent. So it looks like their theme for the month is Flamingo Road. So that sounds cute. And we have a list of all the different colors they sent, and they're coded so we can figure out which color is which. And then they give the retail price so you can see what your savings are. If you were to pay retail, we would have saved $5.30, excuse me, over the cost of, you know, the subscription box. So you can see the savings over the retail price. So, oh, you guys. Oh my goodness. So I saw flamingo and I was like, it's gotta be pink. But look, these colors are amazing. And how awesome is that? I totally picked the right color bead mat for today too, with the pink. Total coincidence. Alright. Oh my goodness. I am loving these. I love bright colors. I love pink. But what's really nice too that I'm seeing is that, you know, not only did they throw in these beautiful shades of pink in different finishes, which we'll get to, But they sent these coordinating grays as well, and almost like a gunmetal, which, you know, these will go with so many different things, not just the pink. So that's something that I've noticed too about Adornable Elements. They do an excellent job of coordinating the items. So when you do get your beads, you know, a lot of times you can make projects from what they send because they take the time to coordinate their colors. So let's get started and see what is what. The first item we have is called Dyed Opaque Cotton Candy. And that is this one. So beautiful. And it looks just like cotton candy pink. Or like a bubblegum pink. Gorgeous. Love that. And you know what's great too? I don't have like hardly any pink seed beads. You know, I have pretty much every other color. You know, but I don't have but like a handful of pink, like literally a little teeny handful. So that's great. That's great. I'm excited. The next one is called Dyed Opaque Matte Bubblegum Pink. No, I'm sorry. The next one is Light Gunmetal. Let's go in order. 464. And that would be this one, which is exactly how I thought it looked. It looked like a gunmetal. So this is a great color to have because it will go with so many different things. Awesome. Okay, put those up here, and then we have the Dyed Opaque Matte Bubblegum Pink, which is this one. Another beautiful, bright, juicy shade of pink. You can tell I like pink. My nails are always pink. Nobody's ever asked me about that. Like, why don't you ever change your nail color? And literally, like, I have to change my nail color. I mean, my gel polish all the time because for some reason I'm like one of those people where polish doesn't stay on very well, even gel, no matter how thin I try to do it. But anyway, that's a discussion for another day. So I stick with my one color because sometimes I have to touch up one at a time, and it gets old. All right, so back to what we were doing. The next color is Transparent Taupe, and that would be this lovely color right here. Just looks like a nice light gray, transparent light gray color, which again, great neutral for any beader to have in their stash. Okay, and let's see. The next one is called Duracoat Galvanized Light Cranberry, which, you know, you can see here by the price, and I know as well from buying seed beads that is a great feature to have, is when you get these metallics, you want them to be Duracoat galvanized because that means it's going to stay on longer. It's a really good quality coating from what I understand. So that's 11. Beautiful. This is a reddish pink. And again, it's metallic as you can see. Beautiful. I love every single one. And then we have, let's see, Duracoat Silver Line Dyed Flamingo, which is the 239. Cute. Very cute. That silver line inside just gives it another little hint of sparkle. And how great did they do with picking out different finishes? That's really cool. Because there are so many different finishes when you're talking seed beads, you know, that you can play with. So it's nice to get a good mix like this, just all in one box. So, I mean, really gives you a lot to work with and a lot of inspiration for projects to do for the whole month, you know, until you wait for the next one. And I know last month, if you watched or will watch the Super Duos video, I went crazy with those, and I literally have like a handful of those beads left because I made so many projects, so many bracelets with those Super Duos, and even earrings. So I really went through them got my money's worth. Okay, and then we have Smoke Gray, just this one. Beautiful. It looks like it's gold lined as well, so it's a little sparkly, but it definitely doesn't look silver lined. Looks like it has a little bit of gold lining. Gorgeous. And then finally, last but not least, we have Luminous Cotton Candy. So cute. And this one, if you can't tell, it's, you know, the beads are like clear, like transparent, and then the inside of the hole looks like it's lined in that bright pink. Super cute. So, love these so much. These are wonderful. You know, I hope this gives you a good idea of, you know, what you can expect with the, you know, if you do the Seed Beads of the Month Club, for example, or if you were to do the rotating Beads of the Month Club. And just a reminder, you know, as with all the subscription box unboxings that I do for you guys on camera, if you were to sign up today, for example, you will get a different selection of items going forward, because this is the August 2018 box. And if you were to sign up, you know, today, for example, you'd be getting the next box subscription. So, you know, I didn't want anybody to be misled with that and expect to get this if you signed up right away. You will be, you know, put into the rotation, and you will get different beads, but this is a great example of the type of selection, the amount of beads that you will get. So hopefully that gives you a good idea of those. And I'm just going on to their website real quick to give you a little bit more information. So on these seed beads, these are 11-0 Miyuki seed beads, which are awesome quality. You know, those are one of the top brands for seed beads in consistency, color, finish, and they're each 25-gram tubes. So this is, again, the double seed bead order of the Rotating Beads of the Month Club. If you did the single, seed beads of the month club, or if you did the rotating club and you received seed beads, you'd be getting 8 tubes of 11-0 Miyuki seed beads, just like this, but they'd be 12.5 grams in the tube instead of the 25 that you see here. So, hope that clarifies, you know, everything for you, and maybe gave you a sneak peek of a subscription box that you hadn't heard of, or maybe you've been on the fence about it, and you've been interested in trying it out, and you wanted some more examples of what they might send. And again, highly recommend it. You know, use my code OPAL10 Opal10 at checkout if you're interested in signing up, and save yourself 10%. All right. Well, thank you guys for being with me on this fun unboxing with this gorgeous pink. Love, love, love these beads so much. And I can't wait to see you very soon on my next video. Thanks, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I would also love for you to follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and Etsy. Orchid and Opal Jewelry. Thanks for watching.